Hey everyone, this is your Lindapter Spotlight, and I'm Matt Kovchinsky. Today, we're going to talk about specifying Hollo-Bolts and what you need to know. So once you go through the design, check all the capacities, making sure the drill holes, making sure geometry is correct. How do you specify it on the drawings? What you want to do is you just want to call it like an A325 bolt, except there's a specific way to call it a Hollo-Bolt. So what we want to call it out is Lindapter, and what you want to say is L. HB M20 for a 3/4 inch Hollo-Bolt. The type of head, it could be hex, it could be countersunk, could be flush fit. The length, and then you want the finish, whether you want zinc, hot dip galvanized, SP or ST. So for example, a 3/8 inch hex head #1 zinc is what's shown right here. LHB M08 hex #1 zinc. So that's how you do it. So what I would do is you could put number 4 in parentheses. How I've typically seen it, like 4 Hollo-Bolts, with that description in the header, and you'll get what you need, and there'll be less confusion on the drawing. So with that being said, that's how you specify it. If you have any questions, reach out to one of your contacts, go to our website, go to Contact Me Now, and those are your technical sales engineers. Until next time, have a great day.